Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Max BW by Nike in the Persian Violet colorway. These released in late September 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £125. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic, and I want to say a shout out to Wellgosh for the raffle win, and it comes in a red and grey anniversary box with the style code being DJ6124-001. Open up the box comes with shoes in white wrapping paper. It includes the Anatomical arch support pads, which is a nice nod to the OG, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Air Max BW OG, which stands for Big Window, referring to his large air bubble unit seen on its midsole compared to his predecessors the Air Max 1 and Air Max 90. Designed by Tinker Hatfield, released in 1991, it features a black padded mesh and felt upper with Persian violet hits on the collar, heel, rubber swoosh on both mid panels, as well as hits on the midsole. All of this hits on a white midsole with clear air bubble units and a black Air Max branded outsole. I had the 2016 pair and I'm so happy to see these back. It has a great shape, the colours pop, and sure the paint job is a little bit sloppy on the midsole, but overall I'm glad I was able to pick these up. I went up half a size due to his narrow toe box, but if you don't have wide feet like me, I'll stay true to size. That's it, thank you so much for watching. Please comment anniversary to show me you watch this video to the end, and let me know if you managed to pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass in the comments below. It's @SamuSago on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.